Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on cryptography. Today we're going to be diving into the world of codes and ciphers, and taking a closer look at how this field has evolved over time. Cryptography has been around for thousands of years, with the ancient Egyptians and Greeks using simple substitution ciphers to protect their messages. But as technology has advanced, so too has the field of cryptography. Nowadays, we use complex algorithms and mathematical formulas to encrypt our data and protect it from prying eyes. But what exactly is cryptography? Cryptography is the practice of securing communication by transforming plaintext into ciphertext, making it unreadable to anyone without the proper decryption key. And there are two main types of cryptography, symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses the same key for both encryption and decryption, while asymmetric encryption uses a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. But cryptography isn't just about keeping information secret, it's also about ensuring its authenticity and integrity. Digital signatures use cryptography to prove that a message came from a specific sender and that it hasn't been tampered with. So whether you're a government agency, a business, or just an individual, cryptography plays a vital role in keeping our data and communication secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest in technology and cybersecurity.